Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to edit your image in iPhone without any software. Very easy. Okay, as you can see I have an image here, and I'm going to edit my image. How we can do that? On the right top you can click on edit, and here we have different options. We can crop the image. We can choose this option, as you can see. And for example, if you want to cut, you can crop the image. Okay, and once you finish you should click on done. And yeah, I cropped the image, and now I'm going to add some filter. Click on three circle. As you can see here we have different options. You can choose this one, this one, this one, or this one. I'm going to choose this one. It looks better. That's I changed. I add filter, and I also crop the image. And you can do many things. As you can see here we have different options, and here you can change the light. As you can see, you can do that. Yeah, that's it. That's how you can edit your image without any software. I hope you will like it. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section, and I will be very happy to help you out with that. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.